time. Okay, starting rap video. So it is like almost almost Saturday for me. Yeah, I'm sorry. Just like I've been working like from Fridays through Tuesdays. So like I only have off Wednesdays to Thursdays. So the week as of late kind of like feel a bit off for me. Where Sundays I feel like it's gonna be like Sunday, but more, or something like that. But of course it's be like another day. So this has been a little weird off week for me. But now so just also quick little notes. I do apologize if I seem sweaty throughout this entire video. And yeah, of course I just got done with work not too long ago. It's a little bit warm out, and of course I got a light shine towards my face, so it's also gonna create a little sweat on my face. But anyways, so before I get to the actual video I'm reacting to, I've noticed the previous couple videos I react to, they're videos that I want to react to for quite some time. But then I noticed, they obviously, came out probably a year ago, so not too many people search that type of thing. And also I noticed, the reception, or at least, amount of views it got, at least at the moment, are too high when I, especially, compared to some of the other videos I'll react to. So, and of course, I probably I would know, I would think, too many of you guys wanted to, at least ask me to react to those particular videos. So now I looked through some of a bunch of older videos I want to react to, but also ones that you guys want me to react to. So hopefully with this one I actually get more reception for you guys and such. So today I am reacting to the TF2 SFM, the fight for Sawmill, and I do remember several of you guys have definitely want me to react to this particular one for quite some time. Yeah, I definitely got, you should react to this one and whatnot. So yeah, obviously finally get this today. So I'm not entirely sure. There's I can't remember top of my head. There's 8 TF2 SFMs I should react to. I think there's at least a couple I can think of, but I don't know too many. But yeah, guys, if after this TF2 SFM, I want you guys to let me know if there are any other TF2 SFMs that I should react to as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, and yeah, let me know. But before getting to all those things, let's react to this one first. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, clear your throat a bit. Alright, so let's react to the fight for Sawmill here. In 3, 2, 1, play. Okay, oh, that was a bit loud. So I can turn. Okay, some lady with a it's a little rocker. What? Huh? Here's the intro. Sawmill. All right. Guess that's the guy who made this. I'll say it. I took a little sneak peek. Just little end credits thing. So here it's called Blue Texture. Watch Thursday. When the gods here for text his hulking pet. Okay. Who's this hulking pet? I guess maybe today Sawmill. What? Okay. So, a little fight probably going to get further Sawmill there. A little creepy music going on here. Oh, seeing the blues out there. I mean, reds. What? Who is that? Edgy or Scout? Well, the Spicer looks very happy. Oh, there's a Scout. It's pretty serious. You'd be also to give a thumbs up work. That's a cool jacket he has on. Oh, there. Whoa, that was actually massive for the first part, man. Nice. Oh, double KO it. Oh, damn. This guy's playing the moves. Oh, ooh. If only you could do that matchmaking. Oh shit! If you can only do that in matchmaking. Oh shit! That's awesome. I'm loving this so far. I can see why you guys want me to react to this. What? Oh shit! Oh, nice. Ooh, get out of the rubber head. Oh yeah, it's the shot. Yeah. Oh, it's a bloody spy. Damn, this guy's pretty badass in here. Oh no, Devil Man! Shit! I'm curious who did that. What the? Oh, is that the hulking pet we heard of? Guess some form of a heavy bear. Shit. Oh boy. Spy. It's... Oh. Oh shit, he broke the saw. Damn, he's got some tough skin. Oh, damn. This would be tough fight for Scout here. Jesus. Damn, he's got some tough skin. Turn Sonic to Hedgehog. Jesus. Oof. Got a little slice out of Scout, or... Oh, he got cut his arm. Oof. I gotta get him the saw. I thought I shit my pants when I saw that heavy there. Oh, yeah, a couple grenades. Wait, oh. Oh, I see. He's gonna like. Ooh. Pretty sure that did some damage, but I was not killed. Ooh. Let's see if this works. Dodge this. Ooh, ooh shit. Oh, it's just before I got shit. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Oh, it was the edgy. Oh yeah, I was saying like the edge here is like called February. Oh. I saw the edgy had a little bit like a scar there. That's pretty cool. Ooh. I like that handgun he has. It's really cool. Did he just reload? Yeah, wrap it up. Oh, nice. I just really like the animation here. It's really cool. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Damn. Oh, that's gotta hurt his back. Yeah, my back's already sore, so I can imagine how that feels. Yeah, move. I like the different, like, the way he's makes different colors you see in there, but oh yeah, right over his eyes so you couldn't see. Wait, is this gun jammed or something? Oh. Jesus, it's heavy. I almost fell down. Or is he a little hand to hand? I like the little slow-mos, like when they hit each other like that. That's kind of cool. Ooh. Oh, this is cool here with a POV. Ooh, he's getting it. Ooh. Okay, got a little hit in him. Okay. Yeah, I got a little. Oh shit. Yeah. It's like none of the ARPU is alive or whatever. I guess maybe they're dead now, but. I saw a heavy guy on the roof there. Oh! Oh yeah. Ooh, nice. Wait, watch the ricochet. Ooh, ooh, that's gotta hurt. Damn. Pretty sure Scout's alive, but it probably really hurt. Oh yeah, I sent page him off. I've heard this music quite a few times. Wait, oh, I have bullets, damn. Jesus, what's it gonna take to kill that heavy? Goddamn. There you go in the airway, try to come off. Oh shit. I just really like, these POV shots. It's really cool to see, especially with heavy going on the roof there. Oh boy. Ooh. Come on. Oh, sweet. Damn. Ooh. Come on, Scout. Ooh. Damn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should we do oil? Oh yeah, now he's gonna burn. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like, oh fuck. And that's when Heavy knew he fucked up. Oh, yeah, he dead. Yeah, I don't think even the Heavy could survive that shit. And more like he's pissed. Get the hell. Run, bitch, run. Oh. Yeah, quick. Ooh. Ah, that's gotta hurt. Ooh, Bailey shot in the knee. Ah. Now he took a bullet to the knee. Oh, this be close. Wait, he's still alive? Wait, he's only his underwear now. Goddamn. Jesus, one tough master. No. Wait, oh no. Ooh, damn, Scout. Oh, ooh. Hopefully, okay, still got a little bit left because I don't think he might survive that, but I guess was okay. There's his body. Okay, someone found him. Get him out of there. I guess more like the NG, everything he's dead. But, jeez, I'm surprised he didn't survive that shit. Oh, yeah, I gave a mistake. God damn it. Okay, so... okay, I was thinking, is it... Oh, jeez, that looks pretty good. Got some burn marks and whatnot. Oh, it's a blue spire. Oh, yeah. If this is like beginning work. You should probably stay down. Gotta really beat up. Wait, yeah. Yeah, I'd probably wait for a little bit before going out the energy. Heal up. Ooh. Oh, is that okay? So there could be like sequel to this. Okay. All right. Very awesome. Very awesome. Okay, so yeah, this must be the end credit scenes I saw, but I don't know. I'm gonna skip through the credits there, but oh yeah, I've seen the damage. Oh yeah, I've seen the. I did. Is it Overseer seeing this, or I forget what's her face? I can't remember. Let's see. Oh yeah, somebody was watching it. Oof. Okay, so that was a fight for Sawmill, and yeah, now I can see why you guys want me to react to that. That was definitely pretty awesome. I really enjoyed that. And yeah, I saw at the end credits there, but I'll just kind of skip through all that when I edit this one. But yeah, I saw a lot of people helped out with this, especially with getting the specific props I used throughout this, like for the weapons, the outfits, and all that, and then like, oh, there are animations and all that. Yeah, there's a lot of people helping behind this. So, like, props to everybody that helped out with all this. And yeah, I kind of like this particular thing. It's basically fighting for the Sawmill, and overall it's kind of the Scout trying to fight against the engine, the blue Scout fighting against the red engineer, and like that hulking heavy guy whatnot. And yeah, that heavy's tough. One really tough son of a bitch. Like. Yeah, you got like a lot of shots into him. He even got exploded, and even at the end, he was still alive. But of course, he got like third plus, like a lot more than the third degree burns all his body. He only had like his underwear on, but of course, he was still moving. He was able to eat his steak at the end there. So I thought it was pretty awesome. Of course, very funny at the end there. And then also I just really liked the actions throughout that. Especially Scout being badass, like at the first killing the other rest, of course, like doing all those things against the NG and the heavy there, and then also the animation throughout this very awesome to look at, especially with the fight sequences. It's like the way the characters move and like shooting all the weapons and whatnot. That was very cool. Also, like some of the camera work or like angles that we saw throughout this. I like the the POV or point of view shots where like kind of like going the first person there, especially when Scout's get punched, but he hit Angie with a bomb and started limping away. And then we got those shots like what Heavy saw, and his like all the colors like disoriented or whatever, like different colors. So that was really cool to see. And then also like the music that was playing in the background, that was also cool to listen to. And yeah, especially when we saw at the end, there's more likely could be a sequel or is a sequel at this point. So I think there could be. I don't know, like more like you guys might know that. So yeah, guys, if there is a sequel to this or wherever, yeah, let me know, cause yeah, I really enjoy the hell of this. It's definitely very awesome overall SFM. I really like, you know, the action, the animation, the music, the camera angles, and all that. It's definitely very awesome TF2 SFM. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, guys, if there's like a sequel to this, or there's like, you know, more TF2 SFMs by this same guy who made this particular thing, or if like, you know, it's any particular TF2 SFM that are just like this one, or you know, this any TF2 SFMs in general that you guys want me to track to, let me know in the let me know in the comments below, and yeah, let me know, cause yeah, this one's definitely pretty awesome. So overall, as in this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to more videos, and leave a comment down below special suggestion what video I strike to next. And make sure to check out the links to my socials and sites in the description down below. Those are I keep up my next videos and those my posts. So overall, in this video, hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.